Hey Tori, I got the RadiX AXE6600 Wi-Fi 6E router for you. Your box code is right here, and your water is just right off screen.
Wow, that's a first.
You know what, Tori? I've been supporting the show for years. I try, and I wake up
No! I mean, this is the first Wi-Fi router made by MSI. You know we think you're doing a good job, right?
Thanks. I appreciate the validation. I just feel like I'm not really being appreciated for all the hard work I do.
Sorry! Nerd alert! Pranked ya! Alright, let's unbox this. What's up, y'all? Tori here, and welcome back to another episode of Unbox. MSI has been a trusted brand for all your PC needs for years. Laptops, desktops, monitors, graphics cards, motherboards, monitors.
You said monitors.
Peripherals and components. But today, we're unboxing the exclusive first ever wireless router by MSI, the RadiX AXE6600 Wi-Fi 6E tri-band gaming router. This comes equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 6E and supports 8 streams on tri-band simultaneously. 8 streams! Basically 2 gamer lounges worth of players could all be on the same connection without sacrificing any speed. Throw in the game accelerator, AI QoS, and premium cooling, and you're looking at a terrific new entry into MSI's line of products. Plus, you're not sacrificing any design or style. In addition to the sleek design, you're getting a Wi-Fi router with Mystic Light compatibility, meaning any other MSI products can sync up and keep up with the RGB lighting scheme you already love. So let's get into it, let's unbox this. This way. I don't want to mess up the router by automatically opening it the wrong way. Yes! I love when boxes open like a freaking case! Oh my god. This feels fancy. Oh, see, one of the things that I love about MSI is their little dragon logo that's everywhere. I'm gonna peel this. Come here. There we go. So here's the router itself. Dang, this is nice. The more antennas, the more powerful you know it's gonna be. Something about this feels very Spider-Man. But I guess there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insect Man? Insect Man. Ant-Man! Duh, there is one. Okay. And here you have your frequently asked questions, your quick start guide. Sweet, so for all your installation needs, you have your cool little pamphlet here. Oh, that's nice. MSI's here to help. And then you also have access to the reward program, which must be our power cord. You have your Ethernet cable in here. Ooh, I'm gonna keep this little box. This is cute. And okay, that looks like that's it. But honestly, I like all this packaging that it comes with. I can imagine myself using this for other things. Recycling, it's good for the environment. Let's start with the powerful processor. The 1.8 gigahertz quad-core processor delivers ultra-fast and reliable connections. On the low end, on your 2.4G network, you could be looking at speeds up to 573.5 megabits per second. But when you're bumped up all the way to 6G, you can see speeds up to 4,804 megabits per second. That's faster than Silly String leaving the can!
No!
Fine. This router comes with AI QoS, which if you don't know what that means, QoS stands for Quality of Service and is designed to provide differentiated services of multiple types of different products and applications that use internet connection. Effectively, different services and products all connect to the internet differently with varied latency requirements and reliability, and the AI QoS optimizes each connection based on specific needs. But we all knew that before today. Let me explain a bit about how this works practically. There are 4 preset modes that are cycled by pressing the RGB dragon logo on the top center of the router. First, there's gaming, which are red lights. Streaming, which are purple lights. Work from home, blue lights. And for a broader range, there is AI Auto, which have teal lights. Now this mode instructs the router to make the best choice to give all connected devices traffic allocation. For anyone who wants a little assistance, this mode allows the router to decide what to prioritize. But for advanced users who would prefer traditional controls, there are a wide range of manual traffic prioritization settings accessible through the local IP address. Looking at the connectivity, you've got 4 1G LAN ports, 1 2.5G WAN port, and a USB 3.0 interface. The RadiX AXE6600 router also has premium cooling, which makes sure your system stays cooler and stable with a heatsink and heat pipes. You can be sure that whatever you're connecting to your system, you won't experience any cooling problems. Speaking of cool, now!
Fine.
This router also comes with MSI Mystic Light. You can sync these incredible RGB light effects with Mystic Light compatible products. And the RGB is present all the way up to the antenna. Now the router you have at home might not be the coolest part of your build, but MSI is out to change all that with the RadiX AXE6600 Wi-Fi 6E router. If you want to pick up one of these are now available on Newegg.com, so click the links in the description below to see how you can upgrade your connectivity. I'm Tori, thanks for watching, we just unboxed
Hey, Tori,
Nico told me you needed me.
Curse you, Nico!